Hello, my name is Christian Braune and I'm going to describe how we think the crime in Dino Fun World occurred. We see the communication frequencies across different locations of the park. Larger bubbles mean that there is more communication happening at a specific location. Suddenly, the amount of messages sent from the Kraton Pavilion increases abruptly. Half an hour later, the park information system begins broadcasting messages to all visitors. Now we saw when and where the crime was detected. By having a closer look at the number of checked-in guests in the Kraton Pavilion, we can see that there are some individuals left during the closure time, which we assume are our criminals. These criminals communicate only with other people in a close group, and they move together to the park in three subgroups. In this narrative plot, we can see how the relative distance between the groups during their stay in the park is. If the red, purple, or magenta lines are close to each other, it means that members of these groups are close to each other in the park. We see, for example, that around 11 o'clock the green and yellow line are close to each other, the red and blue one, and the purple and cyan lines are next to each other. At 12:30, the red, blue, cyan, and purple people meet somewhere. We assume that they transfer the stolen goods from one group to another. The later group then hides the stolen medals, and the third group picks them up later on and passes them to the first group again. Three persons are standing in or in front of the Kraton Pavilion when the crime occurred. All members of the group go to meet at attraction number 6. When the park information system informs about the crime and the lockdown of the park, they decide to hide the stolen goods in the souvenir shop number 40. Here we see two members of the group walking back to the Kraton Pavilion and then returning to store the stolen items in the souvenir shop. Later on, two other members start heading towards the souvenir shop, supposedly to pick up the hidden and stolen goods.